Brand new video on how to create app icon. Very easy and simple. So let me just launch this website. Very easy. You can go to the website www.appicon.com. Here you have app icon and app image. So we have in this video we are going to focus our attention on how to create an app icon. So it's very simple. You just select the icon size you want to create. Like we have here iPhone, iPad, Watch, Mac, Android. But in this video we are going to focus on creating iPhone icon. So what we're just gonna do is we just disable these ones, Mac and so on. I just look for the image, just one image, very simple. I just have one image here. I just click generate. This is the file already downloaded. So it came with a zip file, and a very simple way to do this. Just go to Xcode. You go to access folder. You click delete. You delete the file. Move to Scratch. And now just hold this one. You click, you drag here. Create group, copy item if needed, finish. So everything is done. You go to access folder. You see all the icons have already been arranged. Big, small size, as simple as that. You don't need to create one icon to another icon. You just go to this website I've shown you, and I will put it in the description link as I post the video. So you just go there, check it out for yourself. This is a very simple way of creating app icon for iOS, any platform. So let's run the app so you can see it for yourself. View succeeded. So this is the app icon. Thank you for watching. Love and share this video with your family, friends and loved one. Until then, see you next time. And if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe for more new update video every week.